What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to make a short video thanking everybody for coming to my channel. I appreciate it. We are up to 1,300 people, and that's really pretty cool. I didn't imagine I would get here this quick. I have really big thanks to Steven for that, for shouting me out. And Craig, MC Engineering, too. He shouted me out on Instagram, too, yesterday. So, appreciate each and every one of y'all for that, and each and one of y'all for actually coming over here and subscribing to my channel. And those that's been here with me from the start, I appreciate you all a lot, too. Y'all are always there on the streams with me. So, next month, like promised, I'll be giving away that Tekton 1/4 inch set. The link for what a Tekton 1/4 inch set looks like is down below in case you want to buy one. It's a set I use a lot in my videos. The UK guys, I'll be doing another one in probably March, and I'll do an Amazon gift card because I can't find Tekton on the Amazon UK site. So hopefully that'll work out. Just do an Amazon gift card for them guys. Yeah, I think that's it. You got people, all the links that y'all need to contact me. I got emails, my Instagram, my Facebook, everything. All the important links are down in the descriptions of every video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Next Friday should be a pretty awesome video, so